Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura Z6 here. So this machine was having some issues where it was sort of just shutting off randomly, and we ended up looking inside, didn't really find any problems, but we did change the fuse housing that looked a little bit damaged, so that's this right here. But otherwise, we just did a full tune-up on this machine. So just descaling, cleaning the coffee system, then cleaning the milk system, and I also did remove the brew unit from inside of the machine and took it apart completely, cleaned all the different components in there, and lubricated it, put it back together, and yeah. So I'm just going to pull a test shot to show you that everything is working. Actually, I'll just stop it early. I did also replace the gasket in that brew unit, so that's what you'll see right here. Oops. So you can see the machine is working great, and we've got our puck in there, kind of fell apart, but yeah. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.